Hello everyone, welcome to this guide for shipping your order within your Xoro system. In this quick little guide, we're going to walk through how to ship your order. So this is basically if you're at the stage of you've created your order, you've created a wave on it, you've picked the wave, and you've now closed the wave. So once you actually close the wave, that basically signals that the order is ready to be shipped. So what you can do is head on over to the pack and ship module. That's right here, and then select your ship store, pull up your order. So for example, I'm just going to pull up my order that I have ready here, hit search, and it's automatically going to fill in these fields with the information about the order. And below here, it's actually going to show you the lines that you're shipping. So it's important to note that once you ship an order, it's going to generate an invoice, and it's going to change the status on the sales order. So in this case, it's going to actually the ship status is going to go from released to shipped. It could go from released to partially shipped. That basically means there's a back order, so you didn't ship everything on the order. It actually could stay from partially shipped to partially shipped if you ship just maybe one unit and there's still some remaining unit left, or it could even go from partially shipped to shipped. But this is the status that is most likely going to change when you ship an order. So basically what you can do is review some things here. So review the units that you've closed off, review your build to, ship to. If you need to change your freight here, you can just click on this yellow button. And basically what you can do is click on shipping cost override and adjust this amount right here, or make it free shipping. So let's adjust it, and let's click on save shipment, click OK, and we're good. So you can see now the shipment has been changed. This flow will be a little bit different if you've integrated with ShipStation. So it'll be a little bit separate but this is if you're shipping an order and you're not integrated with ShipStation. So basically you can review everything here and basically hit ship and click OK. And you can see now the invoice has been created, so you can print it. You can print the packing slip. And if I go over here to the sales order center, I can actually notice that my ship status has been changed to shipped. So that's basically how you ship an order within Xoro.